morning, everyone. My name is Monalisa Putrianli, and this is my number in my university. Today, I will present my US segment about vocabulary building. I will explain interesting parts of rap collection and the case study one. The case study show how interesting parts of rap help learn improve vocabulary. So now let me start with the first topic, my present. Interesting parts verb are verb followed by particle and they do not take a direct object. According to correctly et al. 1985, the verb function as one semantic unit, and Nation 2001 states that learning parts of verb help improve vocabulary knowledge. For the example of instructive parts of verb, they do not take an object and their meaning are often idioms. For example, breakdown means stop working and calm down means become relaxed. Like breakdown. Breakdown is stop working. The example I use, the car suddenly broke down on the highway. About the verb, particle, no direct object, and about the collection. I will explain about collection. Collection are words that frequently occur together and so natural to native speaker. According to it, the meaning of a word depends on the word around it. For the example, we say make a decision, not do a decision. Learning collection help students speak more fluently and naturally. Research by Nation show that collection are essential for vocabulary development. For the example, like for the example like heavy rain. There was heavy rain last night. The includes heavy rain, not strong rain. This is a fiction question. Next, the include interesting parts of verb. This I see part 2, case study 1. About the theory, instructive parts of verb, a question of a verb and particle and do not take a direct object. According to Quick et al. 1985, this verb function as one semantic unit. Nation 2001 explained that mastering parts of verb is essential for vocabulary development. Maybe the material I searching is the same like a part 1 I present before this. And next we back on my slide the for analyze the example. For the example, the sentence the meaning to run on. So that the parts of verb means continue no longer that expand. Another example is student drop out, which means stopped participating. The examples of how parts of verb inherit learning vocabulary. Maybe I chose one my example like drop Drop out means stop at participating. Several students drop out during the research object, like the analyst, for example. Analyst drop out means stop at participation. About the learning difficult, I think many learners struggle with intrusive passive verb because their meaning are idiom, and learn might also confuse them with transitive passive verb according to Lover and Waldman, and the research about Lover and Waldman 2011 limit equals cost fragment error. And empirical different from purpose study. Maybe this what I search and I reach, and this my last slide. Case study 1 is gender formation with suffix. I analyze gender formation using suffix. Beside on morphology theory, gender is suffix, such as is are part of the foundation morphology. They change the meaning of the beside word by adding gender information. However, journal studies show that modern English tends, tends to a market form and prefers natural nouns. Like maybe like what the example like actor or actress, and the suffix is in the added to the base noun actor to mark feminine gender. The meaning the change from a general or male performer to a female performer. But the marginal difference like E in the. Okay, next we continue in the case study 3. Case study 3 is case study 3 is vocabulary formation with collective nouns. But the theory in the case study 3, I analyze vocabulary formation using collective nouns. Beside on grammar theory is collective noun can take a singular or plural verb depending on meaning. Journal research is confirmed that this flexibility help learn understand how we can English express group concept like listen. This what I searching and I analyze about the sentence research for agreement. They commit number one. They commit has a verb the proposal. The collective noun commit is treat the treat as a single unit. So the verb is singular has. They can read all the sentence, so I want about my analysis about the three case to to con, conclude this is three case study. So how English word and grammar work together to create meaning. In case study 1, we parcel verb express meaning with noun and object, and their meaning depend on the verb and the particle. About the case study 1, so that gender suffixes as is and in change the meaning of beside word the and create new vocabulary, and the last case study 3, collective noun. So how subject verb agreement depend on whenever a group is seen as one unit or as individual. Overall, the case study help us understand how English vocabulary and grammar are formed and used in daily communication about us. So in the last my topic, I want to say thank you.